Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Drink this juice to lose weight, regulate your thyroid and fight inflammation. One of the most important glands in the body is the thyroid gland. However, it often happens that it doesn't work properly. So, when the thyroid gland does not produce sufficient amounts of hormones, the condition might become chronic. This condition is known as hypothyroidism. The thyroid hormone is responsible for the metabolism. Hence, hypothyroidism may make the metabolism slower. Women are more prone to this condition. The hormones are used as messengers to give orders to the cells in the body to do certain things. However, when the hormones are imbalanced, there is something wrong going on with your body. There are various symptoms of hypothyroidism. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial because most of the people aren't even aware that they have hypothyroidism. Signs of hypothyroidism: dry skin, irregular or heavier menstrual cycles, depression, impaired memory, puffy face, pain, swelling or stiffness in the joints, high sensitivity to cold, constipation, fatigue, weight gain, thinning hair, slowed heart rate, hoarseness, high cholesterol level, muscle weakness or pain. Hence, if you have been diagnosed with this issue, it doesn't mean that you have to reach for medicines right away. Instead, there is a natural remedy, which will help you to balance the thyroid hormones. Moreover, the following remedy will promote the weight loss process and fight inflammation. Homemade remedy for hypothyroidism. Ingredients: 1 cup of cranberry juice, 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 of a tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange juice, 7 cups of water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried ginger, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Instructions: you should first boil the water, then add the cranberry juice and the spices. Simmer the ingredients for 20 minutes. Next, leave it to cool down and add the orange and lemon juice. You should consume this remedy throughout the day.